Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101 and today I got some happy mail and then I had some from the prior week, so I decided to share all of this together. Welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, I really hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. If you are coming back, as always, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I value you and your time so very much, so I really appreciate you being here. Anyhow, let's get into it. So this is the brand new mega sticker book from the Happy Planner, and if you guys know me, you already know I am a nut job when it comes to florals. So I'm also going to be flipping through the pastel boxes from Mojo Jojo, and then layering back basics from Amber Plans Her Day. So I will do those soon, but first, my happy planner. So this sticker book is titled Oh So Many Stickers. So it has over 3,000 pieces and I am loving it. As always, all of these pages will be double, so I will flip through every single page for you guys. And if you guys remember, these are the vintage botanicals. So vintage botanicals for me hold such a special value because that's actually the first happy planner I came to. So that was 2018, like middle of 2018, and that was the planner that hooked me. So pretty special. Okay, so this is the first page. One side is basically stickers, the other one has boxes and some other stuff, so I'll show you that as well. I'm going to start with this. So we have florals, and this is normal and this is foiled, so it has foil. Same thing with here, boxes. This one's not foiled, super pretty. These are functional boxes where you can make lists, and long sidebar ones, washi strips. These flowers get me every single time, so you have 2 pages of those. And then these are clear, so you have flowers. These are these wild flowers from Vintage Botanicals. And then we're back to boxes, these long boxes, and then functional, and these actually are the colors from Homebody. These are completely different colors. I haven't seen this combo before, but I really like it, and it looks like they're adding some of like a floral trim. Interesting. Same thing here. So you have darker blue and teal. And then these are my journaling boxes. I use those quite a bit in my creative journal, so if you follow me, you probably have seen this. And then these are beautiful colors, and the boxes actually remind me of the Minimalist and the Black and White book, because they have that little knob or tooth or whatever you want to call it. And then the second page is fully gold foiled, and then we have the little headers. So there's stuff like How the Weekend, Best Weekend Ever, and Bring on the Week. So very inspirational. You get 2 of those. Some of them are colored, some of them are flowers. Okay, and then we have these big sticker book sticker leaves with big stickers in themselves. So these are on clear paper. So are these. Oh, I love these. That's different. And then second page is foiled. Good vibes only. Oh, I love this greenery. So these are the same. And then you have the same size as the journaling boxes, but these are with images. So if you don't have a busy week, these are great to fill in some of those spots. And then we have boxes and a thicker washi strip. So interesting. Second page foiled. washi strips, and more washi strips, and we're back to clear pages. So we have some florals, some very, very beautiful ones. And then this is gold foiled. Again, clear sticker page, and that's identical. And the same thing here. Yeah, these are lovely. And then we're back to these sidebar boxes, and then decorative and functional. You have 2 pages of those. And then these are kind of fun, right? Different purple, red, and pink. And these are just functional boxes, which I use a ton of boxes. And I'm glad they included some blue. And then we have this, which starts, so you have words like remember, important, canceled, appointment, and then you have the same thing in gold on the second page. I am kind of really glad that all of these are now in one book, and it's pretty massive. Then we have meetup, pickup, drop off, chores. 2 pages of those, and those are black. And then we have plan, craft, make, organize. Again, same thing, rescheduled, meeting, errands, email. And then the second page is gold. Anniversary, wedding, birthday party. Second page is gold. Reservations, school, conference, work. And that's black. Due, payment, exchange. Second page gold. Call, pay by order. Second page is gold. Grocery shopping list. Again, second page gold. And then we have breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. Both of the pages are black. And then we have days of the week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Both of the pages are black. And then we have months from January till December. You get 3 to 4, well, some of them 5 of each month. Like December and November is 3, and so is January and February. So the longer months you get last, and then at the end you have vacation, and then you have date night, day, weekend. And second page is gold. Family time, party. Second page gold. And then you have some clear washi strips and a couple clear stickers. 2 pages of those. And these are my favorite florals, you guys. These clear outline florals are my absolute favorite, especially with the black outline. Then we have those in gold foil. And then look at them, right? Beautiful. I just love it. And then second page again in gold. And then we have, so this reminds me of the written plans, and you have lots of boxes that are already pre-labeled. So we have coffee date, appointment, reservations, important errands, party, family time, and payment due in different colors. Then the same thing in silver. Then the same thing in gray, blue, and all sorts of colors, and then gold, and then pinks and yellows, and then it switches, and you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then little flags in the middle. Then we have green cool tones and gold, and then we have birthday party. Interesting. So the same thing, you get 2 pages of those identical ones, and then you get 2 pages of the cool colors. And then we have this page, which is a little bit different, and it says today's focus, top priority, remember this, and then important appointment, remember. And then same thing here. And then you have schedule, leave, email, call, and those are, so this is warm, silver, cool colors, and gold. And that's the whole book. It's pretty cool, right? It's extremely functional. I really like it. It is gorgeous. It's very, very functional. If I was going on vacation, I don't know. I might take this book with me because, like I said, everything is labeled. It's pretty cool. So that's my first hunt, and then I'm gonna go ahead and share the Mojo Jojo Pastel one. That's a gorgeous book. I haven't flipped through that one. I will do it together with you guys. So first page, a red and orange. Great. And I always love these because it's so cool. And then you have some clear ones this time. Very cool. And then we have this yellow and like gray mustard. Interesting. Very interesting color combo. And then we have lined ones and clear ones. And then we have greens. We have vibrant green, and then we have this pastel going towards like mint almost. Not quite, but almost. And again, lined and clear. And look at this blue, so it's light blue, and this really, really heavy teal. Such a fun contrast to look at. So same pages. All of the little sections are the same. Then we have purples. Beautiful. And then we have pinks. Very, very nice. I really will enjoy this book. A lot of the softer spreads will call for colors like this, so it's going to be easier to match the more colors JoJo comes up with. So we will see, but I really love this book and I can't wait to use it. And then this little beaut is a sticker book from Amber Plans for Day, and it is layering basics. And let me show you, because that book is cool and I wish I ordered more than one, but I wasn't sure what I was ordering, to be honest, because I wasn't sure what I was ordering because it was one of those things where I was super busy and I knew her books came out and I didn't want to run out, so I just purchased them. So without knowing what it is, I knew it's going to be great because I love her books. So this is, these are clear stickers and they're kind of like swatches that you can put under quotes and so on. So this was a clear page. This is a paper page. Again, swatches with different colors, and a clear page, paper page. Look at this green. Whoa. And then paper page. These maroons and purples. And then on paper. So clear yellows and coral. And then look at these are like almost like little smoke or crystals. They're so different. I really, really love. So you have a clear page and a paper page. Again, clear page and a paper. These look like crystals, you guys. They're beautiful. And then you have this combo of like pink and teal, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then this is on paper and it's a different hue. And look at this one. It's so vibrant. And the same thing. Paper, so clear sticker. Wow, right? Paper. And then she includes these, which again I already told you from the other book that those outline stickers, they're just black and white, are my absolute favorites. And then she adds some arrangements, which I love because they're so much fun to work with. And then this is on paper, and then she adds a few pages of boxes. So you have browns, grays, black, like jewel tone green, navy and maroon, purple, light gray and gray purple, pink, fuchsia and teal, and green, yellow and orange. I think this is perfect. She did such a good job. designing this book. I am extremely proud of her. I love how it came out. And that's all I have for you guys today. So thanks for joining me. So this is the layering basics from Amber Plans Her Day. Mojo Jojo plans the pastel boxes, and oh so many stickers, botanicals from the Happy Planner. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye!